When we talk about bonding in organic chemistry, we normally talk about covalent bonding. Covalent bonding. And covalent bonding is sometimes referred to as sharing, the sharing of electrons between two nuclei. So let's look at a simple reaction. Here's some atom A is going to react with some other atom B, and we're going to make a bond between those two nuclei. And this bond, this straight line, represents the two electrons, one of which came from A and one of which came from B. And so this is kind of our before, and here is our after. And that's very nice. So how do we get this bonding interaction? Well, we're going to form this bond from atomic orbitals. So what atomic orbitals have we seen? Well, we've talked about s orbitals, and there are p orbitals, and then we made hybrids like sp and sp2 and sp3. So there are a lot of different atomic orbitals that can be used, and these atomic orbitals, will then combine them. So these atoms have atomic orbitals, and we will combine them and mix them to make molecular orbitals. And we're going to give these names like sigma and pi. We'll see both examples of that, and there are others. But these are molecular orbitals, and they come from atomic orbitals. And so this is an important idea of how bonding occurs. We're going to form covalent bonds because that's what we tend to see in organic molecules, these relatively strong bonds that involve the sharing of electron density. And how do we construct these bonds? Well, we construct them from the available atomic orbitals in the atoms that we're bonding, and then they form a molecule, and that molecule is held together by molecular orbitals, and I call this molecule orbitals. It's called them molecular orbitals. So we're going to mix our atomic orbitals to make our molecular orbitals.